My name is Elegant Akpabio. Enjoy yourselves.
Where am I? Can you pretend to be my girlfriend?
What? What would people say?
Yes. And I really hope you're not having some late night romantic affairs with that guy. Especially now that these vows are not exchanged. Hello, Anita, babe. Anita, what are you doing? You came to my house and I asked you to just help me out in the kitchen. All you do is sit down here and watch 𝘎𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙣. I mean, Anita, that night you left my house and I just can't imagine that after 4 weeks you can back into my house like that.
It's because I'm your girlfriend.
You're not my girlfriend. You were my girlfriend 4 weeks ago. Who do you think gave you the audacity to talk to me like that?
What are you talking?
Jesus Christ, Anita! Oh God, make me a new man. You have the nerves to sleep with my... Oh Jesus Christ! What if I did not come back that day? Can you just listen? Then
I'm listening.
Fine, Dad.
I am listening.
I have my plans.
What are your plans, Alex?
I'm trying to do some business. I'm trying to run some stuffs with some guys to see some money come into my life. And
I will keep quiet.
I am working on this project and there is so much money that is coming up. See, wait. Let me tell you something. I'm giving you an assurance. I'm not Davido anyways, but I'm giving you an assurance. I'm going to make it up to you.
You are strong,
No! Sonia!
you are wise.
You need to see what Sonia did to me. She almost slapped me. See? I don't really know if I laughed, but the truth is all I needed was just a simple sorry from you.
Sorry for what? For what? Felix?
Sorry sir, you left your bag here.
Oh, my bag. Don't worry, I'll be back to the office and I'll clear my desk before I go, okay? Just go back to the office. Yes, sir. Chantel, you don't have to barge into my room. All I am doing is for our own good. I'm just trying to save your back, even when you're moving without watching what's happening behind you. Now listen, you're just going to promise me that you will call those guys off my back and we are going to be together. Otherwise, I'm going to do this in public. And I mean every word that comes out of my lips. Listen, every time you come to class and you hold a pen and begin to write on the board, you're so sexy, you're so romantic. I just always feel like I should tear off your clothes and just have you.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Never. It's never gonna work out. This is going to be ours. We must do this together.
Hadessa is my girlfriend, and I don't want you close to her.
You know, women are supposed to be humble. Do you accept with me?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Tricia?
Yes. Yes, there is a problem, a very big one. Because she is not supposed to leave the office without informing me. I've got good news for you. Right on the spot, I met one girl. Her name is Benita. Monica, slapping me in this relationship is one thing I will never take. just have to take it easy. Do you get?
What do I need to take easy?
Aria,
Yes.
I took you out yesterday around Lagos for you to see, because there is something I'm about to tell you. There is no need shifting something you're supposed to achieve today to tomorrow, because tomorrow will never be a right time. The right time is now. Every man on earth has been created with a purpose. Juliet, I called you out this morning for us to talk. I saw just the way you hugged him, and I stood for a minute and I saw the way you planted a kiss on his lips. Listen to me, honey. I just have something to tell you, and this is it. It is over between us. It is over! Mom, she's my friend, but I intend to make her something more than a friend, something more than a fiancée, something like a wife.
Mom, I feel like idea of you lying to Uncle Elvis about me.
Who is this young lady you're just trying to break her heart?
It's my boyfriend.
Ben, I expected you to be more reasonable than this. There's something about Lisa. Like seriously, I can kill for Lisa.
You're strictly single. And that makes it perfect for me. In fact, from the look of things, from all you've just said now, you're not okay.
I did that to know if you were actually strong. But I never knew you were so soft.
Everything I've been trying to do for him to just look at me has been just in vain. I don't know what else I can do.
Elvis, what are you talking about? I am sick and tired of you two. Will you just shut them up, my friend?
This is what I want you to do for me.
Anything.
Okay. I want you to take your love and keep it. Because I am not interested and I will never be.
What? So,